Pergola, pavilion, or gazebo. Do you actually know the difference? Most people use these words interchangeably, but each one creates a completely different outdoor cooking experience. Welcome back to Luxury Home Decor, where today we are decoding 12 covered outdoor kitchen style so you will know exactly which roof belongs to over your grill.
Lean-to attached roof extension kitchen. Sloped wooden beams cascading with white hydrangeas. Red brick islands tucked against cream stucco walls. That's the lean-to magic right there. This design attaches directly to your home, borrowing the back wall and extending outward with a single sloped roof. The corner version wraps around two walls, opening up incredible L-shaped layouts with copper hood vents and marble counters. Polycarbonate clear roofs let the sky pour in, while flowing linen curtains tied to each post bring romance into the space. Retractable awning kitchen. What if your roof could disappear when you wanted it to? That's exactly what retractable awnings do. Motorized canvas glides smoothly over stainless grille at the press of a button, while striped manual crank versions deliver charming cottage vibes. Wind sensors retract the canvas automatically when a breeze picks up. Some setups even feature drop-down side mesh screens for harsh sun. The double awning configuration. Two separate canopies covering cook and dine zones, perfect for entertaining. Tin and metal roof rustic kitchen. Few materials carry character like aged metal. Corrugated silver tin above stacked stone counters, supported by rough-hewn cedar posts on a gravel patio. Galvanized farmhouse roofs paired with red brick islands and copper farmhouse sinks. Rusted patina copper-toned versions weathered to orange and brown. Each variation tells a different story. Barn red roofs above white painted timber posts deliver classic Americana energy, while black standing seam metal with exposed honeywood rafters strikes that perfect modern rustic balance everyone's chasing right now. Pergola-covered cooking station. Wisteria-draped beams. Black granite islands. Welcome to pergola territory. These open structures bring the most romance per square foot of any covered kitchen style. Louvered aluminum versions tilt their slats open and closed, controlling shade on demand. Cedar pergolas with attached bar counters seat the whole neighborhood. Steel and wood combinations marry forest green cabinetry with brass globe pendants. The cleverest setups integrate planter boxes overflowing with peonies, basil, and trailing ivy, blurring the line between garden and kitchen completely. Gazebo outdoor kitchen. A gazebo turns cooking into an event. The hexagonal cedar version, wrapped in trailing white jasmine and lit by globe pendants, feels like discovering a hidden garden retreat. Screened-in models keep bugs out while you cook among tall pine trees. Octagonal designs with circular center islands put the grill front and center for guests to gather around. Need real smoke ventilation. Double-tiered roofs with vent gaps handle smokers and pellet grills beautifully, paired with stacked stone counters and butcher block prep zones. Pole barn Barndominium outdoor kitchen. Now we're going big. Pole barns and barndominiums deliver wide-open countryside cooking on a whole different scale. Bold black metal siding, exposed honeywood beams, deep red cabinetry, and a view of grazing horses through the open bay. Glass roll-up garage doors slide upward to merge inside and outside seamlessly. Sliding barn doors on heavy iron tracks bring ranch house drama. The wraparound covered porch version, hugging an entire structure surrounded by waving prairie grasses, might be the ultimate countryside dream. Pavilion-style outdoor kitchen. Luxury cranks all the way up here. Pavilions feature soaring vaulted ceilings, exposed walnut trusses, and grand-scale islands that could anchor any indoor kitchen. The multi-zone designs are absolutely incredible, splitting the space into a cooking section with forest green marble counters, a dining hall with a 12-seat live-edge table, and a lounge area with caramel leather sectionals around a black fire pit coffee table. Brick column pavilions add a European villa feel that's tough to beat. Cabana-Style Poolside Kitchen. Resort vacation, but it's your own backyard. Swim-up bars with teal mosaic tile and submerged stone seats inside the pool itself. Thatched palm leaf roofs above bamboo posts channeling pure Bali energy. White draped luxury cabanas with flowing linen curtains tied to teak frames. Brass chandeliers glowing above marble counters. Tiki-style versions with woven cane wall panels and flanking torches. Some include attached outdoor showers behind slatted privacy walls. Others feature misting systems that create a cool fog along the edges. Timber frame covered kitchen. Timber frame is where craftsmanship really shows off. Massive Douglas fir posts. Heavy crisscrossing beams. Wrought iron chandeliers hanging from cathedral peaks. The reclaimed wood versions, with weathered grey barnwood showing knots and saw marks, instantly add a century of history to a brand new build. Exposed mortise and tenon joinery with visible wooden pegs proves real craftsmanship was involved. Hanging wrought iron pot racks loaded with copper cookware, plus live-edge counters with bark still visible, complete that authentic handmade aesthetic. Pitched roof patio kitchen. A pitched roof ties your outdoor kitchen visually back to your home, making it feel intentional rather than added on. Gable roofs with matching brick chimneys overlooking countryside hills. Skylights flooding the space with daylight. Clear-story windows opening up lake and mountain views above forest green islands. A-frame shelters set in alpine meadows look absolutely bold against snow-capped peaks. For wet climates, steep pitch metal roofs shed rain and snow effortlessly, while dormer accents add storybook cottage garden charm. Stone grotto and masonry-covered kitchen. Old world enchantment lives in stone. Hand-built grottos of rounded river rocks and moss-covered boulders, with stainless grilles nestled inside dramatic stone arches. Stacked stone arches in warm limestone curving over cooking zones. Full masonry kitchens centered around domed pizza ovens that scream Tuscan villa. Cave-style versions go deeper, with recessed warm glow lighting tucked into rock crevices beside multi-tiered waterfalls cascading into koi ponds. Fieldstone columns supporting heavy stone slab roofs deliver the kind of ancient estate gravitas money usually can't buy. Modern flat roof covered kitchen. Architectural design hits its peak with flat roofs. Razor-thin matte white edges supported by slim black steel posts above polished concrete. Dramatic cantilevered overhangs floating outward with zero front support. Glowing LED reveals between the roof and the walls create a floating illusion that's genuinely jaw-dropping. Sustainable options integrate solar panels seamlessly into the surface. The 2026 trend everyone's loving? Living green roofs covered in sedums and wildflowers, spilling succulents over the edges in pure biophilic luxury. From vine-wrapped lean-tos to floating flat roofs, every one of these 12 covered kitchens proves your backyard deserves more than a folding table and a charcoal grill. Which style stole your heart? The cottage garden gazebo, the swim-up cabana, or the dramatic stone grotto? Drop your favorite number in the comments below. If this video inspired your next backyard project, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Luxury Home Decor for more dreamy design ideas every week.